Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a free bundle into Doodly. So when you got your Doodly and then you got your Doodly files, as you can see here, those are the one that's a download. Okay, it's a DAS file, so I'm going to show you how to upload them here on my Doodly. Okay, first thing, you have to download the files. So when you download the files, you're gonna have to click on characters from here. Okay, here you click where this plus is, like here you click. Okay, from here you browse a file. I'm gonna select my Doodly, so I'm going to use this one first. Number one, digital marketing bundle. There you go. As you can see, the preview here, you see, and then click continue. Gonna be uploading the file to the server. Okay, as you can see, it's done. Okay, now we are going to add our second bundle. Do the same thing, click on the plus, browse files, and then select open, and then click continue. It's done. Okay, as you can see, those are the characters I just imported. Remember also, you can click on the prop here, do the same thing if you want. Actually, this is the best place for those characters, and then you click plus, browse files, you can select this one, click continue. See, I'm gonna add a second one, browse, and then click, and then continue. And it's done. So that's the one. See, so I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Ciao.